called out UAMY for my private community just a couple of days ago. The stock is already up 20%. We have over $30,000 in profits that we are holding, but I think that there's a chance that this thing can easily run another 50%, 100%, and maybe even 150% in the next couple of months. And my goal of this video is to share with you why this met our criteria, why we were buying it, and more importantly, where I think this thing is headed in the next couple of weeks and months. My name is Peter DiCarlo. I'm a full-time trader. All of my trading decisions are based off of my indicators and data. 90% of traders fail, and my goal is to share with you my simple strategy and how I've been able to bring consistent profits to my fund over the past 5 years. Now, if you want any of the indicators and learn the strategy that we will be deploying in this video, all of those indicators are free down in the description in our course library. The BX Trender is our main indicator, which is going to be part of step 1. Now, if we take a look at this chart on UAMY, the top of the chart, so basically from the BX Trender above, is a weekly time frame. This indicator at the bottom of your screen is a monthly BX Trender. What I'm doing here is overlaying or showing a monthly time frame on top of the weekly. The reason for this is that if we look at our trading playbook, which all of our students get access to, the very first piece of requirement that we need in order to actually take this position is that the BX Trender must be showing buying pressure, meaning it has to be green or it has to be increasing. If you take a look at UAMY, that has been happening since March of 2024. So this entire 2-year period, basically, or 16 to 17 month period, has been in a bull cycle. This means that you can essentially buy any pullback or any dip, which is what we're seeing right now. And in most cases, price is going to bounce. Now, of course, historically, we only have about a 60% win rate. So you're going to have to understand that you're not going to win each and every single trade. But with such a high risk versus reward, which is what we're really after, we will buy this dip anytime that it presents itself. Now, if we go into our THT student portal, which only our Discord members get access to this, we can go to the heat map function and scroll all the way down and click on UAMY. You will see that this is my analysis from the 21st, which is 2 days ago. This is when we bought the stock and it's already up 20%. I said once again that I was adding UAMY to the watch list. Even though this is higher risk because there's more volatility, we're getting the best entry spot that our system looks for. The monthly BX is green and in a bull cycle, which, as we said before, is step 1. Step 2 was also in play. We are trading at a discount. We are looking at the 1 week fair value band. Price is being tested, and since we are in a discount range, it means that buyers should step in here if they are going to. And that is exactly what has happened so far. And as we said before, if we go into our main fund to look at my real-time fund holdings, you will see that this has quickly shot up to being one of our biggest profits that we're currently in, and we're up about 20%. Now, one of the things that I really try to push within all of our courses is risk management, and mainly through position sizing. This is only 2.5% of my fund. You'll notice that none of my positions are actually above 3%. What I look for is to take any stock that is meeting our criteria, then add it to the watch list and equally weight our ETF or our portfolio based off of the current stocks in that strategy. That is why I'm currently holding about 40 to 50 stocks at a time. And that is no matter what the size of the fund is, whether it's 50,000, 100,000, or even $1 million. Now, if we look at UAMY here, what we're expecting from this point, if price can break above $7, is a move to fill the volume profile gap up to $12. That means from our entry up to the $12 target is about a 175% return. Now, this indicator here on the right is called the volume profile. You can get access to it for free in step 3 of our trading system. Now, the volume profile is very important because this indicator is going to show us where all of the buying and selling has happened in the past 150 weeks. Where we have thick areas means that we have a strong support, or if it's above, a strong resistance. Any area where there's thin volume means that price will normally break through those areas, whether it's to the upside, which you could see happened here in October, or to the downside, which happened here at the end of October, very quickly. So that means that if price can actually break through $7, we could probably see this back up at $12 within the next 2 to 3 months. And so I'm going to continue to hold on to my UAMY position until the monthly BX trender closes red or we hit my $12 target. As I said before, the link to all of our indicators and courses will be in the description for free. But if you want to deploy this strategy with me and my team in real time, at the very bottom of the library is access to our private Discord community. You'll get all of my real-time trade alerts. You'll get access to the THT web application, which has access to my fund holdings, the weekly watch list, and all of our tools, such as the unusual options flow scanner. And more importantly, you'll get access to our Discord community where you can interact and ask questions, not only with me in real time, but also 2,000 other students who are trading the same strategy. The link to the Discord will be down at the bottom of the library.